Welcome yogis to our 9 minutes quick sequence on strength and focus. Let's begin by rolling into Makarasana. Lie on your belly. Keep your hands folded in front of your forehead resting on your palms. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Inhale to COBRA pose. Exhale to your right side. Breathe in center and breathe out to your left. Come back to center. And now from here, we'll do bow pose. So grab your ankles with your both hands. Raise your chest, raise your thighs. Full body on your abdomens. Release. We'll do 2 more repetitions of this. So strengthen. Do not put any kind of strain to your body and grab your ankles, breathe in, chest up, thighs up. You can either keep breathing in and out or you can just hold your breath here. Exhale and come down. One more time, yogis. Just whenever you're ready. Take a deep breath in first and deep breath out. Grab your ankles, this time holding for a bit longer period of time. So keep breathing in and out, that will help you hold for a bit longer period. Yes, come on, you can do it. Amazing. Come back and just lie down, taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now from here, come to your tabletop position. Your palms below your shoulders, your knees below your hips. Inhale, make a curve, navel towards the mat, look up. Exhale, making a V shape with your back. Breathe in, curve, look up. Take your time, hold. Breathe out, making a C shape from your back, navel moving towards the upside. Keep going, make a curve, inhale. Exhale, C. Now take your right leg back, straighten your right leg and come to crescent lunge position. First lower lunge and then raise your hand towards the crescent lunge. With a smile on your face, the left leg knees, you can keep it touching on the mat for that extra support. Just hold in this position for as long as you can. Release. Now straighten your right leg and fall forward with your forehead touching the right knee. Breathe in and breathe out. Your fingers or your palms will be supporting you on your mat. And now from here, come to downward dog position, PARVATASANA. Few deep breaths in PARVATASANA and come back to your tabletop, taking your left leg back, repeating the sequence with the left leg. So coming into your lower lunge, moving to crescent, your right knee touching the mat and holding in this position with a beautiful smile on your face. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now your left leg straighten, forehead touching the left leg. It's a variation in the standing split, you can say, where your left hamstrings, left glutes is getting all the stretch. Come back to downward facing dog. And to your tabletop. Breathe in to cat. Breathe out to cow. Right leg back. Lower lunge to crescent lunge, hands in namaskar. Smile on your face. Right leg straighten, forehead touching the right knee. Parvatasana. And tabletop. Inhale to cat. Exhale to cow. Flowing with one breath, one movement. Left leg back. Lower lunge to crescent lunge. Good going, yogis. Breathe in and breathe out in your crescent lunge. Left leg straight, forehead touching the left knee. You're doing very well, almost there. Hold it, feel the stretch. Come to Parvatasana. Breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. On your tabletop, and lie down in your child pose. So your knees a little bit wider, your tip of the toe touching each other, chest and forehead falling on the mat. The more you can touch, the better. Your hands stretching above your head, and deep breath in and a deep breath out in your child pose. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let go any constraints in your mind, in your body, and in your heart, and start this day with a free and an open mind. Be the independent version of you. Slowly rise up, sitting on your mat. We'll do Om chanting. So in your Sukhasana position, hands in Jana Mudra, breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Namaste, yogis. Thank you for joining us today.